Welcome, skill seekers. Build your skills with us. I am Ayla, and you are watching our YouTube channel, Skill Seekers. Hope you're doing well and curious to learn new things. So, in today's video, I am going to share with you the top 5 digital skills to earn money online. Earning money online from home is dream of every internet user. Many people are earning money online to live their dream life. Having dream is not enough to start this journey. Therefore, watch this whole video and select that one skill that matches your abilities and interest. So let's get started. Search engine optimization is most important and widely used digital skill to earn money online. SEO involves website designing, development, and maintenance. Social media marketing. Social media platforms are highly reachable to mass audience. Billions of people are using different types of social media platforms. Most businesses want to reach their target audience to enhance their brand awareness, social popularity, and sales. Social media is the best place to do this by using free and paid marketing methods. Content writing. In online world, content has the top priority. Everything you read, listen, and watch is content. Every business need highly effective, influencing content to get ranking. So they need content writers who have expertise about writing web content. Graphic designing is all-time trending skill in all over the world. Every business needs graphics in the form of pictures, brochures, flyers, business card, logo designing, social media post, display ad banners. You can start working on website, packaging, illustration design by providing your services in online marketplaces. Blog is a type of website where people share information about different topics and subjects. Blog is also used to guide and help people to solve their problems in their daily routine life. Blogging is basically about trustworthy and authentic content that helps people to solve their problems. I hope you find this video informative and effective. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also like and share the video with your friends and family. See you all with the next video.